This is Dreamy Tulip from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. It's a gorgeous purple. This is the center panel. Very beautiful embroidery. This is also part of the center panel. Very beautiful, one of my personal favorites. This is the side panel with lovely white embroidery on it. Look at these motifs. This is a border on organza which goes on the front and back. This is on purple with white and very light pink embroidery. This is the sleeves border on organza on the same off-white and purple embroidery. It goes on these very beautiful sleeves with white and pink embroidery. Cute little motifs. It comes with this hybrid cotton dupatta with white, light pink embroidery. Very beautiful, solid color. It also has this border. And it comes with a plain trouser.